This tutorial is catered by ScholTechnology Solutions, located in Omasha Grounds, Rugogo, Kampala, Uganda. I'll be showcasing Cyber School Revision DVDs for Senior 4, covering O-Level Curriculum NCDC Uganda, that is up to date. When you insert the DVD into the machine, you'll be able to navigate through the Windows Explorer and give it time. However, this notification here indicates that the DVD is already inside the machine, and you right click and select install or run the program from your media. I don't advise you to use this option. Instead, open the autoplay. Autoplay for Windows 8 users, you'll not see this interface here. It will just appear in the middle here. So I advise you to open the run autorun -.tc, the executable file. And in case it doesn't work, you are advised to install Adobe Flash Player, because it is case sensitive and you cannot copy the contents on the DVD because of the right protection, which is the copyrights of the company. So it will load automatically after selecting the autorun. Like, this is the interface, and inside the DVD port we have Cyber School Chemistry DVD. So this is the main menu, which is the start button for the chemistry DVD. So here you will be required to select from the menu, whereby the menu is having one folder, where a folder is having set 1 up to set 10 for questions. So I can select randomly. After selecting randomly, this is revision question paper 545/2, that is paper code for chemistry paper 2 or level standard, and this is question 1, which is having part A up to part D, that is 1 out of 4. So for instance, question 1 is saying gas Z is passed over heated copper 2 oxide. The gaseous product formed turned lime water milky. Part A, identify Z. Part B will be asking you to state what is observed when the gas lead was passed over heated copper 2 oxide. Then the other part, C, is write the equation for the reaction when Z and copper 2 oxide are passed over the other with the corresponding marks. So here, if you go back, you can be able to generate the answer, which is carbon monoxide. That is the answer. Next, you can get the answer for this, which is a black powder turned brown. And for instance, here you can see visual. It is active, so that means if I click on visual, it will show us the laboratory preparation of copper 2 oxide. So here carbon monoxide is being passed over heated black copper, and it turns lime water milky after some time. So carbon monoxide reduces heated copper 2 oxide, which is a black, to copper. That was the answer. Then you can close this and go to part C. Get the answer for that, which are the equations, corresponding equations for these questions. So that was part 1. Okay, like now if I go to question 10, for instance, this is question 4, 6, that. Okay, question 10, and decide using question 7. So a burning piece of magnesium ribbon is lowered into a gas jar containing sulfur dioxide gas. State what was observed. You can get the answer here. The burning magnesium continued to burn with a bright white flame, leaving a white solid residue with the yellow specks. So you can check out here on the visual, which is the virtual lab, and see how a burning magnesium ribbon is burned. So there they burn magnesium ribbon, then after they lowered it in a gas jar containing water, and you can be able to check what was observed inside this gas jar that is containing sulfur dioxide. So you'll find magnesium oxide and sulfur. So this is the equation of what was observed. So you can generate the answer. That question was having part A up to C. So you can find out this one. Write the chemical equation for the above reaction in 7A above. So you can generate that answer, which is this equation. Thank you for watching. The tutorial ends from here, and we shall be adding more. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.